Generative AI. The origins of artificial intelligence began back in the post-war days. Donald Watts Davis, a Welsh computer scientist, created an electromechanical AI to play a version of tic-tac-toe way back in 1949. Then in 1958, Frank Rosenblatt created a neural network called perceptron to classify circles and squares. Today, AI looks pretty much like this, where we have first artificial intelligence, which encompasses a broader concept of machines that mimic human intelligence, reasoning, problem solving, decision making, forecasting, classification, using various techniques. Then within AI, we have machine learning. It's a subset of AI that focuses on enabling machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. They use algorithms like regression, classification, and clustering. And then within that, we have deep learning. This is a specialized branch of machine learning that uses neural networks with multiple layers to analyze complex patterns in large data sets. It's super effective for things like image recognition, natural language processing or NLP, and autonomous systems. Way back in 1958, the perceptron would have been a neural network like we see on the left-hand side, with just one layer determining if the object was a circle or a square. Today, deep neural networks are deep horizontally and vertically. Think of them almost like a brain in 3 dimensions, with many tunable neurons. Generative AI is relatively new. According to CompTIA, it's a type of artificial intelligence that really has kind of crossed the Rubicon, or moved beyond just problem solving and forecasting to actually being creative, creating new content such as text, images, music, movie treatments, novels, based on patterns and examples that it's learned from existing data. We call that learning training. The big 3 cloud providers all have solutions for AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. AWS has Amazon Bedrock and SageMaker. Azure has OpenAI. Google has Vertex AI. Let's go on a web safari up to AWS and look at a handful of very practical examples of what we can do today with generative AI in the cloud. We're going to take a look at a survey of use cases for generative AI. And you can see there's a lot of them here. There's like 16 times 3. We're going to go through the first 6 of those here and look at about 18 of them. Starting with product development, generative AI can generate multiple design prototypes based on certain inputs and constraints. Sales content creation, generating personalized emails, messages based on a prospect's profile and behavior. And then code generation. That's a real biggie at AWS, accelerating the application development with code suggestions based on the developer's comments and code. Personalization, delivering better personalized experience, increasing the customer engagement or the CX, customer experience. Agent assist, enhancing the agent performance and improve first contact resolution through automation of tasks, summarization, and enhanced knowledge-based searches. Creating marketing content, such as blog posts, social media updates, or email newsletters. There's report generation, generating financial reports, summaries, and projections. Employee assistant, improving productivity by quickly and easily finding accurate information. Chatbots and virtual assistants, streamlining customer self-service processes and reducing operational costs. Conversational analytics, analyzing unstructured customer feedback from surveys, website comments, and call transcripts. Here's a new as-a-service, business-to-business omnichannel contact center as a service. Telecom operators who want to resell omnichannel contact center solutions using Amazon Connect. Intelligent document processing, improving business operations and automatically extracting and summarizing data from documents. Personalized recommendations, analyzing customer data to create customized promotions. Virtual try-ons, this looks fun. Generative AI can synthesize realistic images of people wearing different clothing items, enabling immersive virtual try-on experiences. Then there's planogram optimization. A planogram is a virtual representation or a diagram that retailers are going to use to plan the layout of their products that they put on the shelves. So their goal is to maximize sales by placing products in the most effective and appealing positions. So using Gen AI to dynamically update these planograms based on new products, changing inventory levels, sales trends, and competitor data. Intelligent advisory. With chatbots and call center assist, we can automatically translate complex questions from internal users and external customers and do it into their semantic meaning. Transforming financial documentation, quickly drafting investment research, loan documentation, insurance policies, regulatory communications, and more. And then AI managed portfolios, deploying generative AI to create highly tailored investment strategies. So as we can see here, these are some really specific examples of use cases for generative AI beyond just the kind of generic image, video, audio generation, summarization, chatbots, translation, code generators, customer service agents, and search and recommendation engines. And I would recommend coming up to this same site and perhaps going through and looking at all of them to get a solid foundation in the use cases from the standpoint of Amazon Web Services.